Hey guys, this video I'm going to discuss the free transform tool, and it's what I use to make different elements of an image bigger or smaller. So as you can see, I have this little Webster over here. I can click on it, move it around, do whatever I want with it. And let's say I want to make it just a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Edit, Transform. Actually, I'm going to go to Edit, Free Transform. Transform, you can do a bunch of different things to it, but you can only do one thing at a time. So if I rotated it 180 degrees, it would do that. I'm just going to undo that. But Free Transform, you have a little bit more control with it, and you can manipulate it as many times as you want all in one go of it. So I'm going to click on Free Transform, and you can see that this little bounding box surrounds the image. And as I roll my mouse around the edges, you can see that I have the option to rotate it. I don't know if you can see that, the little rotate thingy, but that's what lets me turn it. And you have this nice little degree marker for precision purposes when you're doing like serious Photoshop work. You can rotate it. You can make it smaller, bigger. You can change it this way. So the way that Free Transform works is it always scales it proportionally when you don't do anything except click and drag. So I'm just clicking and dragging right now, and it's scaling it proportionally. So everything is changing at once. But if, let's say you wanted to make it wider but not taller, all you would have to do is click on Shift before you click on the bounding box to move it. So I'm clicking Shift. I'm clicking on this and I'm dragging it, and see it's making it wider without making it taller. I'm going to undo that, and you can do the same thing. Shift, click, undo, shift, click. And if you, this one allows you to make it wider and taller at the same time without affecting the other element. And that's if you drag it on the corner. So I'm going to click on it, make it bigger, place it where I want it, and then to get rid of this bounding box, to let Free Transform know that you're done using it, just click Enter, and then it's resized the way you want it to be. And that's Free Transform in a nutshell. There's a bunch of different things that you can do with it, and if you need help with any of those things, just let me know and I can make another video for it. Thanks, guys.